We have our hive here, and what we're going to do is remove this feeder, the bottle that had sugar water in it, and we're going to open up the entrance for these bees. We remove the entrance reducer completely, and we're going to leave it wide open so the bees have very easy access to get in and out of the hive. Here's all my bees. We're just going to take a look and see what the especially those middle frames look like. I see some younger looking bees together with some of the older ones, so I presume that means everything's working out okay. Here is one of the end frames. You can see they don't appear to have done very much. We kind of left it empty, hoping they would build up some wax. And some, oh, who's that? Is that a drone? Yeah, that's definitely a bigger bee. Looks like a drone, I think. Not a queen. Let's see what's on the other side here. Not much else happening on the other side. Long way to go to build up some comb on here. Lots of honey in there. You can see all the glistening honey. See a bee right there in the middle with lots of pollen on it. They're filling up lots of frames of honey here, so that's a good thing. You see lots and lots of honey. Okay. This side, still lots of honey on here too. See some pollen in there. Quite a few bees. You can see they're really swarmed in there. Yeah, they're starting to fill some frames of honey, which is nice to see. Okay. Honey in here. They're starting to store some honey over there. These capped frames are full of honey. See, no brood in the middle. There's a bigger drone, it looks like. Still haven't seen the queen yet. See lots of small bees. They're filling things full of honey. Do not see the queen. I see lots of honey so far. Getting a little closer to the brood cells here. See lots of, see some brood cells. Not a lot. See honey frames. Not seeing the queen anywhere yet. Lots of honey going in there. More honey. Lots of empty cells though in the middle. That's kind of disappointing. Should be brood in there, I would think. Where is my queen? Again, I'm seeing honey frames. I do not see the queen yet. I don't see these cells should be filled with brood, and I'm not seeing it. Oh wait, there's a big queen. There's a big bee. Is that our queen? I don't think so. Nope. No, wait. I see a lot of open spots here. I'm not seeing a whole lot of holes filled. Alright, well, I've looked through my whole hive and I did not see my queen, so I don't know, I'm a little worried about that I'm not seeing brood, or I'm not finding the queen. There might have been some brood in there, I'm not sure, on some of these frames. I think we still have a ways to go yet, maybe another week before I put another box on, then we'll have to check back again. I should be seeing some baby bees though, and some of these are brighter colored, so you would think that they are new bees rather than old bees, like that one on that frame. That looks like a very young bee. So maybe I just didn't spot the queen, but she's in there. Not sure. Some of my bees inside the hive. A little close up action.